Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. I welcome all of you in the discussion of experiments of pharmaceutics 2. Experiment number 3, the title of the experiment is to understand the prescription and Latin terms used in prescription. Proposition 1, that is definition of prescription. Written order from the registered physician, a dentist or a veterinarian or a surgeon or any other person licensed by the law to prescribe the drugs containing instructions for preparation and dispensing to the pharmacist along with the mode of administration for the patient. The proposition is the reading of the prescription. After receiving the prescription, serial number is given to the prescription. That number is extended in a bound register containing columns such as serial number, physician's name and address, patient's name and address, illness. The serial number will be the register number. The register number will be the entered on the label. It helps for future communications. Let's see in detail about the parts or the components of prescription. First of all, prescriber's office information, patient information such as his name, age, sex, weight, surface area, date, superscription that is RX symbol, inscription or medication prescribed, subscription or dispensing direction to the pharmacist, then signa or direction for the patient to be written on label, refill, special labeling and or the other instructions, and prescriber signature and the license. So let's see the sample prescription format. Here is the name of the pharmacist or that pharmacist office, then phone number is given, name, this is the patient information, name, age, sex, address, body surface area, weight, superscription, this RX symbol, inscription. Let's see here, the formula should be written, the name of all API with all excipients including their strength, that is concentration, quantities too. Then Fiat Mistura, which is a subscription. Signa means cochlear, magnum, tur, indi, post, cibus, sumenda. Then next refill instructions for the patients if any, and after that directions for the patient and the directions for the some pharmacist for dispensing. After that the signature, then name of the doctor, his degree, his registration number with signature, which should be the authorized prescription. Parts of the prescription, the prescriber's office information, it gives the information about the prescriber's his or her clinic with the address and the phone number. Date helps a pharmacist to find out the date of prescribing and date of presentation for filing. The prescription or the narcotic or the other habit forming drugs must be bear the date. Then name, age, sex and the address must be written because it serves to identify the prescription. It also helps the pharmacist to check the prescribed dose of the medication in care of children. Superscription, that is, it is represented by a symbol RX which is written before writing the prescription. It is an abbreviation of Latin word, that is recipe, which means you take though. In olden days the symbol was considered to be originated from the signs of Jupiter, that is god of healing. Then inscription, this is the main part of the prescription order, contains the name and the quantities of the prescribed ingredients. The name of each ingredient is written on a separate line along with its quantity. Inscription can be divided into different parts like the base, adjuvant and vehicle. For an example, in above format, the sodium bicarbonate is an antacid drug. Maximum dose is a 5 gram compound tincture of cardamom for flavor, simple syrups as a sweetener, and water as a vehicle. Subscription, it gives the direction to the pharmacist for preparing the prescription and number of doses to be dispensed. Signature, that is signa, this consists of the directions to be given to the patient regarding the administration of the drug. For example, direction given above can be translated into English as 1 tablespoonful to be taken 3 times a day. After meals, refill. Number of authorized refills are indicated to prevent misuse of the prescription. After that, signature, address and the registration number of the prescriber. It is important in order to avoid the misuse of the prescriptions. Then modern methods of prescribing, though the above information describes the traditional way of prescribing with the flower flow of the many changes have taken place. For example, nowadays the majority of the drugs are available in the market as the ready-made formulations, which are more suitable considering the sterilization, the containment stability, very small size, which is in the micro or the nano of the drug molecules, etc. Thus, there is the no need to dispense the drugs by the pharmacist. So, prescriptions by physician generally contain the generic name, trade name, dose, size, dosage forms, etc. The language use of the English terms instead of Latin, metric weights, systems, weights and measures instead of grains and minims, use of computers for storage of patients related information are the salient measures. A student has to adopt the above changes in his career of professional life, as these are the existing ways in view above there are the some prescriptions in the manual containing the metric system, English language, etc. But to learn the basic things and to be perfect in all the angles, old ways are retained in few prescriptions. Then let's see some Latin terminology, that is Latin terms and abbreviations commonly used in prescription writing. In this we are not going to study in detail all the things, all these are given here, but we are discussing only 4 to 5. Latin names, abbreviation, English name. For an example, let's see here the Latin name is given, abbreviation is given, and English name for eardrops, capsule, poultice, powder. All these are the dosage forms, and for this dosage form, these Latin names and abbreviations are used. For an example, Aristil, that is Arista means eardrop, capsula, caps means a capsule. Like this, all for all the dosage forms, some Latin names and abbreviations are given here. Also next, the method of administration or application. For an example, addendus, addend, to be added. Then applicandus means applicant, to be applied. Like this, the directions are while taking that particular dosage form or while administering, some directions for the patients are also given in some Latin forms, their abbreviation and the English translation or the English name for that particular terminology is here. Time of administration, 8 times per day means sument in dye, same in dye, once a day, bis in dye, bis dye, BID or bid, twice a day. Like this, the time per day or the as the dosing frequency is prescribed as per the time, this time per day concepts or that particular wording, in case of Latin terms its abbreviation and the English translation is used. Different time of the day, that is primo name means prim m, early in the morning, again main m in the morning. Like that, the different time of the day is also given in the prescription. Then next one, hour time, that is omni hora, OH every hour, omni quarta hour, OQH every 4 hour, 4th hour. Like this, the hour or time period is also given in the prescription. Correlated time, anticibus, AC before meal, postcibus, PC after meal. Like this, the correlated time is also given. Other terms, that is dolor, urgency, dol urge, when the pain is severe. How to use frequenter, frequently. Like this, the terminologies are also given under your prescription. Vehicles used and the means of application, that is coachier, amplum, then coach amp, coachier magnum, coach mag, coachier maximum, coach max. For this, the 1 tablespoonful for all these terminologies are used. So like this, the vehicles used and their applications are also given in Latin terms or their translation in English. Parts of body, oris dexter, that is AD to right ear, oris levis, AI, AL to left ear. Like this, the parts of body are also indicated through Latin terminologies. Miscellaneous, in that ana, AA of each, anti, A before. Like this, these terminologies are also written in the prescription. Then numerals, that is unus, 1, duo, 2. Like this, for them some words which are for the numbering or numerals, that is Latin word, Roman symbol, and meaning in English is also given. So we discuss about all the things which are given in the Latin and which should be used in the prescriptions. So thank you.